Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your daily goal on the FitPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Then click on activity and wellness. Tap on daily goal, which is the first button. Then tap on steps to set your daily step goal. Tap on OK. Then you can also set your daily distance goal as well as the calories you would like to burn a day. And then your sleep can be set to how many hours you would like to sleep a day. So that's pretty much basically for this video, guys. Everything will be updated automatically. So that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.